Good morning, one and all present here. Today is the great launching ceremony of great product which is launched by a great company. I, Alfisani Arif Soratia, the CEO of CNC Limited. Today, we all are here gathered to attend a launching ceremony of a new machine which is launched by a CNC. In past times, there is a manual machines. Then after changing time and technology, the CNC machines are launched in market. And now, in market, there is a 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, and 6-axis machines are available. But now onwards, the history of the market will be changed, because our company CNC Limited has launched one of the most unique machine in the market. This machine is time saver machine also. How? In manual machines, the employee has to give full attention on machines because there are manuals. Then after CNC machines, in CNC machines also, the employee has to give full attention because they take lots of time. But CNC Limited has launched CNC 7-axis machines in the market. What is the speciality of this machine? How it is fruitful to the peoples? It is fruitful to every people who is connected with it. It is fruitful to the consumer. It is fruitful to the employee. It is fruitful to the industrialist. How it is fruitful to the industrialist? Industrialist has to pay lots of money in 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis and 6-axis machines. But this 7-axis machine is now at a very cheap in the market. How it is fruitful to the employee? Employee has to give full attention on the manual machines and other CNC machines. But this machine is fully automatic because it is spread automatic coolant, it spread automatic time, it set everything measurement and it gives perfect quality goods. Then how it is fruitful to the consumers? The consumer gets quality product good at a low price. I am telling you some of the main features of this machine. The first feature is give automatic coolant to the iron part. Second, it automatically alert the employee that machine is get too many temperature. Then it is also save time because in other CNC machines the part has to take 4 to 5 hours, but in CNC 7-axis machine it takes only 35 minutes to complete the project. But our machine and our company gets success on support of you. At last, I am telling you that please be with us, please support us and increase your quality and decrease your cost today. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.